Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren will today kick off the 5th Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament at Polo Ground in Imphal West. Manipur Tourism Department is organizing the event that will continue till 21st of this month. A man died in a road mishap that took place at Mantri Pukri, Imphal at around 9 p.m. yesterday. As per a report, the deceased has been identified as one Binod of Chingmairong, Imphal. The mishap happened when the car the deceased was driving hit a drum of tar kept on the road. Sikkim Chief Minister P.S. Ghole yesterday inaugurated the 5-day-long Joraithang Mage Sankranti Mela 2020. According to media reports, this year the state government has planned to celebrate the Joraithang Mage Sankranti Mela in a different way by inculcating a sense of sportsmanship by playing different tournaments. Home Minister Amit Shah will meet leaders of tribal-based parties of northeastern states, including the Bharatiya Janata Party's allied the Indigenous People Front of Tripura over the Citizenship Amendment Act in Delhi. As per media reports, in Shillong, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said he would lead a delegation of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance to meet Shah. A combined team of Lilong Police and All Lilong Anti-Drug Association raided Lilong Myrin Khun last evening. During the raid, an unknown person opened fire at the team, killing one person. The deceased has been identified as Muhammad Sajid Khan, aged 28, son of Ajad from Lilong Makalekai. Indefinite economic blockade along National Highway 2 began since last midnight. The ban is called by Senapati District Drivers Welfare Association, Senapati Truck Owners Association and Senapati Truck Driver Union against the Manipur state government, demanding termination of Manipur Police Hitler Singh ASI from service within 48 hours.